What if a $12 digital product could be your first step to making $150 a day on repeat, even if you're starting from scratch? This is a planner I recently published for just $6, discounted from $12, and it made over $200 in just 24 hours. So everything I'm about to share with you actually works. I started with 0 followers, just like a lot of you watching. So let's dive into the 5 steps you need to take to hit this target. First, why should you offer a $12 digital product to begin with? Well, starting with a low ticket offer is a strategic move because it's a lower barrier to entry for your customers. People are more willing to take a chance on your product because it feels lower risk for them, especially when they don't know you yet. It builds trust. Providing value at a lower price point can lead customers to invest in your higher ticket offers later on. When someone gets real value from a $12 product, they naturally think, if this is what they give for $12, what do they offer for $100 or $500? And as a starting point, it's easier to sell in volume. Lower priced items can sell in higher quantities, helping you reach your $150 daily goal by selling just 13 units a day. And with proven strategies that I'm going to share in this video, anyone can do this. Okay, step 1, what makes a $12 product sell? The key here isn't price, it's perceived value. So let's talk about how to create a $12 product that people can't say no to. First and foremost, it has to be a really good product. There's no way of getting around that. In fact, I want you to think about this quote when you're brainstorming and creating it. Make your offer so good, people feel stupid saying no. This is a quote by Alex Hormozy that has stuck with me for a long time. Basically, your product should be a no-brainer for your customers because the perceived value of it completely outweighs how much it costs. Now, to clarify, a high-impact product does not mean it has to be overcomplicated. Think one person, one problem, one result. Some ideas to help you brainstorm could be a focused ebook on how to hit a specific goal, a printable planner or journal that solves one pain point, or a time-saving template like a content calendar or done-for-you social media captions. And one of the most effective ways to ensure your product sells is to research what your target customer is already responding to and loving about similar products online. For example, I noticed some Notion planners on marketplaces like Etsy and Creative Market getting consistent sales and reviews every single day, which told me it was a profitable product that I could potentially create and offer myself. When I dug into the reviews, I realized that customers just wanted something beginner-friendly and easy to use to help them stay on track with both their personal and professional goals. So I created my own version of what was already working. A simple Notion life planner that only took me a few hours to put together, but it delivered real value. And while most planners were selling for $20 to $40, I priced mine at $12, and I even offered it at $6 on launch day to get it in as many hands as possible. To be clear, the goal was not to underprice or undervalue my work. It was to build trust with my target customer, over-deliver on value, and set the stage to introduce higher ticket offers down the line. So grab a notebook and brain dump all your ideas on what you can offer. Write down everything you could teach or solve for someone else. And think about what people come to you for advice on. Then do some research to figure out, are people buying something similar? What's the price range? What are the reviews saying about the product? Can you offer something that could be more efficient or useful based on what past customers are saying? Now, once you've landed on your product idea, step 2 is crucial. And yet, most beginners skip this part, which costs them so many sales. Plan a freebie that connects to your paid product. A freebie is something you offer to people for free to build trust and grow your email list. Before I launched my Notion planner, I had a free productivity guide to get people on my email list. Before I launched my Etsy ebook, I offered a free Etsy shop checklist. Before I launched my YouTube course, I offered a free YouTube channel setup training. And your freebie needs to directly tie into your paid product because not only are you attracting the right buyers for your product, but it's going to take them on a journey from joining your email list to buying that product. Once they're on your list, you can set up a simple welcome sequence, which is just a few automated emails that continue to give value, offer tips related to the freebie, and naturally lead them into your paid product as the next step. So go back to your list of product ideas and add a freebie idea beside each one. This one step could easily double your sales, I guarantee it. Okay, step 3 is to create your high value product. And depending on what you're selling, You can use many different tools for this. If you're planning an ebook, PDF guide, or printable, I recommend using Kittl, which is my favorite graphic design software because it has so many beautiful pre-made templates that you can use and you don't have to start from scratch. All their templates are designed by professional graphic designers, and you get access to their huge library of fonts, elements, and images with a commercial license, which is a huge bonus. And they have a free version you can sign up for, so I will link that for you down below in the description box to get started. And since I use them for many of my own digital products, I've partnered with them in this video to give you guys a huge discount on their Pro plan if you choose to upgrade. Just use code SandraYT for 25% off any paid subscription you choose. You can either start a blank artboard by clicking on New Project here, or work off a pre-made template to save you a ton of time. Specify the exact kind of template you're looking for. So let's say you want to create a startup guide for your customers. Simply type that into their search bar and browse through the many options they have. And all of these are fully customizable. So you can change up the colors, fonts, and images to suit your brand and the product you're offering. I loved this template, which comes with 10 different pages to work with. And the reason I love Kittl so much is that it's super beginner friendly. And yet, it has so many advanced features that other graphic design tools either don't have or they're just not as intuitive in my opinion. You'll notice the menu bar on the left side where you can customize your text, add in elements, and even upload your own images that you want to include. They have an AI image generator as well, which gives you a commercial license to any graphics you create from your own prompts. I also have a whole tutorial on how to create an ebook from start to finish using Kittl, so I will link that for you down below if you want more of a step-by-step video. You can also use it to create your freebie. So in this case, if I'm creating a startup guide on how to grow your influencer business on Instagram, then my freebie can be 30 Instagram content ideas, which I can just use another template from Kittl to create. What I also love is that with the Pro plan, you can control the resolution of your product when you're ready to download it. So when you go to download at the top, you can change it to 300 dpi, and this will ensure that your customers receive your products in high quality, which is so important. They're always updating their platform with new features as well, like their new vector editing tool that they just released, which I'm so excited about. It lets you draw custom vector paths, design your own shapes, create vector graphics from scratch, or easily customize existing ones, so you don't need complex graphic design software to do this anymore. They also introduced a reframe feature, which allows you to extend the edges of an image to better fit your layout. It uses AI to generate natural-looking content that blends seamlessly with the original image. Okay, once you have your free guide and $12 digital product ready to go, it's time for step 4, which is to promote them on social media every single day. This is where people are going to discover you, so lean into it. Posting on social media consistently will help you build momentum and grow your audience faster. And the two most effective ways to get people to take action after seeing your content are Instagram carousels and Reels. And they're both great for educating, storytelling, and building connection with your audience, which is ultimately what leads to sales. Help your target customer recognize the problem that they're currently facing, show them the most effective solution to it, and share the transformation that your product can help them achieve. Here's how you're going to direct them to your paid product. First, add the landing page to your link in bio with a clear call to action to grab it. Don't add your website or a link that directs your audience to a bunch of different products to check out. The less work your customer needs to do to actually purchase your product, the more likely they will buy. So make it easy for them. And I highly recommend using ManyChat, which is a tool that automates DMs on Instagram and guides people to your freebie or $12 product. You've definitely seen this in action before, and you may or may not know that it's ManyChat in action. So when someone says, comment the word checklist and I'll send you my free YouTube channel setup checklist, ManyChat will automatically reply to anyone who comments that word with the link to the checklist. This makes it so much easier for people to take action on your offer because they're receiving it directly in their DMs rather than taking that extra step to check out your link in bio. So you can alternate your posts to promote either your freebie or your digital product. This way, you're growing your email list of subscribers that will eventually buy from you, while simultaneously using social media to generate direct sales. All right, so as your freebie is building your email list and your $12 product is hitting that $150 daily target with a minimum of 13 unit sales a day, it's time to scale your business with step 5. Offer strategic upsells. This is what will help you hit your targets faster without needing more buyers. And there's a few ways to do this. First, you can bundle related products together and offer them at a higher price point. So this could work if you're offering a printable or template of some sort that could be offered in a pack. The first time I ever did this was with my Etsy printables. I offered my printable wall art listings at $7 each, and that made it slightly harder to meet my monthly targets because of the lower price points. So eventually, I bundled my printables together to create a 6-piece gallery and charged $22 for it. This helped me hit my revenue targets easier because I didn't have to sell as many as I did before. Or you can offer a VIP version of your product with added templates or videos, for example. I charge $39 now for my Etsy ebook, but I used to sell a different version of it a couple of years ago for $18. However, when my customer went to check out, I offered an upsell. So for another $28, they could receive templates and short tutorials alongside the ebook for extra support. The sooner you can offer some sort of upsell to your low ticket offer, the quicker and easier it will be for you to hit your daily target of $150 and beyond with your digital product. Make sure to sign up for Kittl using the link below, and you can test it out entirely for free to create your high value digital product today. Use code SandraYT for 25% off any paid subscription you choose if you want to upgrade. I promise you're going to love it just as much as I do. If you'd like a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a profitable ebook for your target customer, check out this video next, and I'll see you there.